Welcome to our quick guide on how to choose the right WebIDQ subscription plan for me. We know choosing the right plan can be tricky, so we are here to break it down and help you make an informed decision based on your needs. First, let's take a look at the different options we offer. WebIDQ cloud-based software offers three different types of subscription plans: Basic Subscription Plan, Core, and Core Plus. What is included in the Basic can be directly seen in the WebIDQ software user interface. So we are here in the WebIDQ software user interface for the Basic Subscription Plan. Basic plan includes all relevant features needed for biocrates kit workflow. A biocrates kit workflow includes sample registration, project creation, and the creation of the work list in LIMS module, in quantification, once the data is acquired, integration, calibration, and validation is performed. And in results, the results can be exported according to your need. This plan is perfect for organizations who are just getting started with our kits or measuring small projects with up to, for example, 10 to 500 samples per year. For basic subscription plan, it is not possible that you can define a project team to restrict the access of a project. And also it is not possible to register your own study pool sample as customized QC. If you want to have these features, we would recommend to upgrade your subscription plan accordingly. In quantification module for integration, auto peak picking for defaults is part of the basic plan, but align RT shift, so advanced auto peak picking is not part of the basic plan. In calibration tab, calibration is performed. For example, you select a metabolite from the metabolite panel. The calibration curve can be seen here, and also the accuracies of the calibration standard and for the quality controls. If you want to check a chromatogram of the selected metabolite for one of the calibration standard level, this can also be checked in the calibration tab. But if you want to reintegrate this peak, it is not possible to perform the reintegration directly in the calibration tab for the basic plan. For this, you have to go back to the integration tab and perform the integration again, and the validation is performed. For quantification module, evaluation and monitoring tools are not a part of the basic plan. Monitoring tool is very useful if you want to check directly the accuracies and the variations directly in the WebIDQ software, and also if you want to check how many metabolites are detected above limit of detection in quality controls. In results module, results can be exported. The default value type which is selected here is concentration. If you want to have different value types, please upgrade your subscription. The data pre-processing is also not the part of the basic plan. Basic plan restrict the bio IDs just to HMDB and limit. Statistics is also not the part of basic plan. So a basic plan covers a normal biocrates kit workflow, which is sample registration, project creation, quantification, and exporting the results. So let's have a quick summary what is included in the basic plan. So in basic plan, 4 GB of storage space is available, and up to 4 users can use the WebIDQ software. It includes normal biocrates kit workflow, and the default auto peak picking is part of the basic subscription plan. So we recommend this plan for those who are getting started or only need the basics. Then this is a great choice. The next is core. To check what is included in the core, we go directly to the WebIDQ user interface. So I am in the core subscription plan. It is ideal for growing teams. The core plan includes everything of the basic plan, plus additional features like align RD shifts, data pre-processing, descriptive statistics, which streamlines your work. With core, you will unlock more flexibility, and more power for your workflows. With cores, you have an option that you can define a project team to restrict the access of a project. In quantification, in integration, align RT shifts is also the part of the core. So, for example, if retention time shifts occurred during a plate run and you want to overlay all chromatograms of one metabolite, you can activate the align RT shift. In calibration tab, it is possible to perform the reintegration directly in the calibration tab. And also in validation, everything is same as of basic plan, but additional features like evaluation and monitoring are part of the quantification for core subscription. In monitoring tool, we can check directly the accuracies and CVs for the quality control levels, and also in the detectability tab, one can see how many metabolites are detected above LOD for the selected quality control levels. In results, all the different value types are also available for the core plan, and in display options, there are different types of bio-IDs are available. Not only that, the data preprocessing is also the part of the core plan. It is a tool set that performs data cleaning and missing value imputation on results before exporting. This process helps to create a more robust data set for downstream statistical analysis. Apart from that, in metabo indicators, it is also possible to add your own metabolism indicators. And in statistics tool, a descriptive statistics is the part of the core plan. If you're interested in advanced statistics, for example, ANOVA or PCA, then please upgrade your subscription plan. So just to have a quick overview, what is included in the core plan, we can see that all basic features are included. Advanced peak picking, which is the shift in the retention time. The quality monitoring, where the CVs, accuracies can be checked. The number of metabolites above LOD can be checked. You can have your customized metabo indicator where you can add your own metabolism indicators. There are additional bio IDs. Basic statistics is the part of the core plan, and the data preprocessing, which includes data cleaning and imputation. So if you need more control and access to advanced features, the core plan is for you. So what is the difference between basic and core? For core, 8 GB of storage space is available in cloud, and number of users who can use WebIDQ software 8 as compared to basic. Biocrates script workflow is a part of both basic and core, and you can see here the list of the additional features, which is the part of the core subscription plan. Now the next is Core Plus. Again, I will go back to the WebIDQ user interface. The Core Plus is designed for larger teams or big projects. This plan gives you access to all the features. The extra tools, for example, data preprocessing, approved plate runs, advanced statistics are available with this plan. We recommend this plan to organizations who measures more than 1,000 samples per year and or need certain extra features. So for example, here the customized QC can also be added. If you have a study pool sample which you want to register as customized quality control, you have the option to add this in Core Plus. In quantification, the important thing is included in the validation tab, approve plate run. If you want to protect validation statuses and results from alterations, you can click on approve plate run and it will lock your results. And in results, you have the option in the statistics tool to perform the advanced statistics, which consist of ANOVA and PCA. So if you need all in one package, this is the plan for you. So let's have a quick look what is included again in the Core Plus. So Core Plus include all the features from the core. You have an option of customized QCs where you can add corresponding target values, advanced statistics, approve plate run feature for the results, and obviously additional storage space. This you can check in the next slides. So here we can see that the difference between basic, core, and core plus. For core plus, 50 gigabyte of storage space is available, and number of users who can be assigned to use WebIDQ software are 16. And here are the list of all the features what is included in the core plus. So let's quickly summarize each plan. The basic is for individuals, the core is for growing teams, and core plus is for larger and big projects. And if you're still not sure which plan is right for you, then feel free to reach out to our support team. We are here to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for tuning in. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel to receive more videos on WebIDQ. I would love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have. Leave me a comment below. Keep experimenting and I'll see you next time for more WebIDQ user entry.